Welcome back. Foreign forces are trying to take away popular musical events like Sunburn from Goa. Advocate General has said it before the court. The High Court has directed Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to complete the hearing within 3 months related to the land where the Sunburn Festival is being organized for last 6 years.
During the hearing before the High Court on Monday, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said state's economy is dependent on the tourists. Musical events like Sunburn attracts national and international tourists in huge number in the state. Advocate General also contended that tourism-dependent countries like Thailand are trying to take away popular musical events like Sunburn from Goa. Advocate General assured that government will organize musical events as per law. He also said that during the events, officials of Pollution Control Board keep track of the noise pollution and personnel of anti-narcotic cell keep watch for 24 hours. The High Court also directed Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to complete the hearing related to pending cases on the venue of the Sunburn Festival within 3 months. Petitioners claim that the land where Sunburn Festival is been held for past 6 years come under no construction zone, but construction takes place every year during the event. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The fate of Sunburn is stuck in the ego right now. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has demanded an apology from the Sunburn organizers for their wild allegations last year on free passes to his legislators. Parrikar inspected the Sunburn venue in Kandoli on Monday with Michael Lobo. Surprisingly, he did not take Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar along with him. Dilip is firm on his stand.
Explanation आलेलं नाही. त्यांनी wild allegations केलेली आहे गेल्या वर्षी. Those wild allegations they will have to either substantiate. I don't mind. I will take legal action. If they substantiate someone took bribe from them, I will definitely take a legal action. Or they should say sorry for that.
Chief Minister alleged that Congress party is somehow trying hard to stop the revenue to the state through casinos.
Casino दिले कोणे? प्रताप सिंग राणान, रवी नायकान, दिगंबर कामतीन आणि वो सारदीन बॉब मारतात कोण? तेच पैसे घाले कोणे? ह्या 4 जणांनी पैसे घाले वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीन. कॅसिनो हांवें दिवन ना. कॅसिनो उलट हांवें कमी केले. जे पळय कितें 150 कोटी रुपया गव्हर्मेंट येता ते फाल्यांच बंद जावचे म्हणून तो कोर्टान सुद्धा गेलो काँग्रेसचो. आणि कितें न्ही हे लायला कोर्टाक पेपर ते 2009तले लायले.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo also endorsed CM's stand on the Sunburn.
जो तर तो जागो घेत आणि सीएमान जे सांगला तेणे अपॉलॉजी म्हणूंक जाय. जो तर तो प्रूव करता जाल्यार वी आर एट फॉल्ट. इफ नॉट देन ही शूड apologize and take back his word, and then the government will think of considering his proposal in consultation with Honorable Minister for Tourism.
Meanwhile, the Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar reiterated his stiff opposition to Sunburn Festival in Kandoli.
I सुद्धा माझा तो स्टँड असा की कानोळेच्या जाग्यार जो प्लेस असा वेन्यू असा त्या जाग्यार सनबर्न घेवप हे फिजिबल ना. इतक्याकूच लागून तेका जोडणारे जे रस्ते असतात हे रस्ते एकदम बारीक असा.
With Shyam Sundar Fatte from Kandolim, reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
A police constable and 2 others have been booked for abusing a PSI and also assaulting a police personnel at Vasco. Vasco police has arrested the trio. They are also booked for assaulting the gatekeeper of the Z Square Shivam Theatre. Sources say the constable is security personnel of Minister Avirtano Furtado.
Vasco police have arrested 3 persons including a police constable for abusing a PSI and assaulting a police staff and a gatekeeper of Z Square Shivam Theatre in the port town. Ajay Anancha of Dawarli in Madgaon and 2 other persons, Pankaj Kawekar from Dawarli and Santosh Qureshi from Bogda, were intercepted by a theatre gatekeeper as they tried to enter the theatre premises without valid tickets.
With their common intention, created nuisance, abused PSI and Palekar and others. Further, assaulted police staff with fist blows on their chest while they were discharging their lawful duties. CR number 166/13 under section 332, 353, 504, read with 34 IPC registered.
We contacted the authorities of theatre but management refused to comment. The security personnel was also not present at premises when Prudent visited the theatre. Reporter Dishan Parab with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Now, major works in the municipality areas will be undertaken by G. Suda. Grants over 77 crore are not utilized by the municipalities and CCP. The audit report of Directorate of Accounts has brought it to the fore. Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza informed this to media on Monday. D'Souza assured that more powers will be given to municipality engineers and permanent chief officers will be allotted to all municipalities. He also stressed on an advisory committee in every municipality to advise on various issues.
कोटीची काम आसता पळय तेन्ना सी कडेन पावता ते फायली म्हणजे सी लेवलचो मनीस जाव तांकां टॅक्निकल सँक्शन दिवपाक चीफ इंजिनियरचे कॅटेगरीचो म्हणटच आतां आमचो जी सुडाचें ऑफीस आहा पळय तेजे मार्फत आमी तांकां रोड करपाचो प्रयत्न करता म्हणजे ही सिस्टम बदलता जी PWD कडेन वयतात ते आनी थंय शिरकता पळय ते आतां आमचे गोवा स्टेट अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट एजन्सी आहा पळय तितून भितर हाडून तांकां आमी ते सिस्टमीनसून घेवंक सोदता टू गिव परमनंट चीफ ऑफिसर्स टू ऑल म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल्स नाव this is not in my domain because this issue is handled by the personnel department which is the chief minister's department म्हणटकच चीफ मिनिस्टर डिपार्टमेंटान करपा जाय पर्सनल प्रत्येक म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलान एक फूल टायम चीफ ऑफिसर आसपाकूच जाय नाल्यार तेंच्या कामान खूब डिले जाता
special meeting of the councils, respective councils, to discuss on audit paras. प्रत्येक municipality audit paras पे असता, whether it is CAG audit or Directorate of Accounts audit. ते मोठे जायत होता the report.
So we'll try to do it by October. And December 4th, I've taken holding a review meeting. December 4th. There should be a participation of the general public in the day-to-day functioning of local self-governments. This is an accepted norm now. And you see there is a lot of articles written in the newspapers and speeches made by a lot of NGOs that they are not kept in the open means. They are not, councils are not transparent. So it is important that you have a small group of citizens who monitor the functioning of the councils or advise the councils to do certain things.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.